Moving on to Ambuja Cement, where, well, the company's announced earnings, we have seen a drop in profit to the tune of nearly 42%, but the stock is up. It's up as much as 4.4%. And naturally, there's a lot in terms of the outlook, which is positive. In fact, we did catch up with the director, the whole-time director and CEO of Ambuja Cement on the quarter gone by, and this is what he had to say. Listen in.
I'm happy to share with you the performance of Ambuja Cements for Q2 FY25. Ambuja Cements has delivered steady performance supported by cost leadership, improved efficiencies and growth. For the Q2 year-on-year, consolidated performances are as under: revenue at 7,516 crores, operating costs went down by 4% at rupees 4,497 per ton, a reduction of 184 per ton. This is mainly on account of reduction in energy and freight and forwarding costs, 10% decrease in energy cost driven by our efficient fuel management and strong focus on green power. We achieved a 13% reduction in kiln fuel cost, now at 1 rupees 59 paisa from the previous 1 rupees 82 per 1000 kilocalories. On green power share has gone up from 15.6 to 18.2%. Freight and forwarding costs have gone down by 7% from 1,377 to rupees 1,282 per ton. With these improvements in cost, our EBITDA is now at rupees 1,111 crores. The EBITDA per ton stands at rupees 780 and margin at 14.8%. Profit after tax stands at rupees 473 crores. Our consolidated cash and cash equivalents at the end of 30th September 24 remains at rupees 10,135 crores. On a standalone basis, net revenue at rupees 4,213 crores with a 14% volume increment at 8.7 million tons. Our EBITDA is 681 crores. EBITDA per ton is at rupees 784 and margin at 16.2%. Profit after tax of rupees 501 crores. Coming to strategic investments and expansions, post successful completion of the Orient Cements transaction, our total cement capacity will go up to 97 million tons per annum. Multiple acquisitions are adding to the economies of scale, greater efficiency, better use of resources, and long-term environmental sustainability. The acquired assets with captive jetties as well as coast-based bulk cement terminals have reinforced the marine logistics. Assets of Orient Cement will further strengthen our presence in core markets and improve our pan-India market share by 2%. Orient Cement's assets are highly efficient, equipped with railway sidings and well supported by captive power plants, renewable energy, waste heat recovery systems and AFR. Today, Ambuja and ACC are one of the largest cement entities in sustainability, innovation and green offerings. Ambuja has become the world's first cement company to join the Alliance for Industry Decarbonization, an initiative of International Renewable Energy Association. It became a signatory to the Transitioning Industrial Cluster initiative of World Economic Forum. With the additional 11 million tons clinker capacity at Bhattapara in Chhattisgarh and Maratha in Maharashtra and Jodhpur in Rajasthan, we are well on our way to further expand in our brownfield operations. As these capacities will become operational, we will also be raising our ESG standards by including WHRS and AFR usage for the new plants. Addition of 21 million tons of blended green cement capacity will take our cement capacity to 118 million tons by FY26. We are aiming for a significant increase in green power capacity, taking green power share to 60%. We are reaffirming our commitment to sustainable practices with an investment of rupees 10,000 crores in 1 gigawatt solar and wind power projects. Additionally, we are also adding more waste heat recovery systems and alternative fuels to the mix. By the end of FY25, we will reach 218 megawatts of WHRS, promising compelling economic benefits to our planned larger capacity of 140 million tons per annum. As a responsible group engaged in nation building, we are committed to promote sustainable products and construction practices on the ground. Our technical services educate customers and conduct certification programs for inclusive growth and socio-economic impact on society. We are committed to sustainable growth with a strong focus on women empowerment, sustainable livelihoods, rural infrastructure improvement, and social inclusivity. Alongside our dedication to water governance, our community development initiatives have positively impacted over 4.7 million beneficiaries. Strong infrastructure demand and ongoing needs from the housing and commercial sectors are anticipated to boost cement demand in H2 FY 2025. The introduction of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban Housing 2 with an allocation of rupees 11 lakh crores along with government's continued focus on infrastructure development as the key to economic growth augurs well for cement sector. Strategic investments in roads, railways, along with urban and commercial amenities is poised to drive robust growth. We expect demand during FY 2025 to grow in the range of 4 to 5%. It is encouraging to witness the government's commitment to boosting capital expenditure and encouraging private sector participation in infrastructure projects. The focus on employment and skilling will create a robust workforce for the future. The special focus on building rural connectivity and infrastructural capabilities in various states further strengthens our resolve towards making significant contribution to India's growth story.